Alright, sit down in the chair. Let me see if I can get us both of us in focus here. Yeah. I guess I'm just gonna have to wing it. Alright.
Do you have the painting?
Yeah, I do. I have the paint.
Lorde Llewellyn.
I'm getting it. Hold on. I gotta find it. Why does that have to do that now?
Well, Earl, when two people love each other, they...
Yeah. I got it. Alright, Lee and I have had a long day. We're kind of wiped out, but this is very, very important, and we just can't finish the day out without figuring out what color Eleanor is going to be. Lee, people are saying that was the color, and then people were hitting on other colors. Is that the color?
I don't believe that is the color, no.
No. That gray is not the color.
It's a nice color.
It's a nice color.
Yeah.
That's actually a color that Brevard Paint picked out for us, just to do a spray and go. So it was actually like that new Challenger gray color.
That's right.
I forgot the dang name of it.
It was a Charger color.
Yes.
Or a Challenger
Yes.
color, yeah. I remember hearing that now. Paint it twice to make it nice.
That's what we do here.
Yeah.
We do everything twice, thrice.
Wow, rough draft.
My goodness. I got my butt kicked today on that darn exhaust system. Anyway, Eleanor is long overdue for paint. We are very close with her. We got a lot of little loose ends to tidy up still. But guys out there in YouTube land, can you guess this color? The first person to guess this color?
Now, when I guess the color, does it have to be the exact color, or is it just going to be like in the roundabout? Is it going to be purple? Is it going to be blue? Is it going to be green?
I would like it
yellow.
I would like it to be an exact color if we can.
That would be funny.
Oh, it's going to be great.
Because I mean, like if it's a Cadillac color,
right?
We're going to Kashmir on Buffalo.
Or that movie that we did 5 cars to. Oh, gosh. This is it. Guys, if you can guess this, Lee, thank you, sir.
Always left hold.
Oh, my goodness. We're going to send you out some merch. We got some nice hats. So, first person to guess correctly will send you a hat.
Fancy smancy hat.
I think so.
That's not even like a sticker or done with a
No, nothing. It's from Roy, real nice ones. You know, we got a bunch of them in here. So, very, very good.
And if nobody wins, I'm selling them.
Yeah, okay.
Got that.
Everybody, thank you for tuning in, checking us out. Please guess the right color. First person to guess the right color in the comments, because we're going to put them in chronological order. First person is the winner.
Hey, Duckman here, breaking into Earl's video for an extra special announcement. For those of you that are watching, I wanted to up the prize and also offer a DuckmanCycles and VW Garage t-shirt to the winner, and that is in addition to Earl's prize. But first, in order to win, there's some rules. 1, the best guess. The most specific color guessed is the winner. And here's an example. Take Earl's most favorite car in the world. If you guessed red, you win, but if someone else comes along and says pristine red, the latter is the winner. However, if someone else more specifically guesses Toriator red, or even better yet, the actual paint code, or best yet, is very specific to the two-tone paint scheme because yes, Christine is 2 colors, that's when we have a winner. Please read the comments and don't post the same thing someone else guessed. The first one will disqualify any subsequent like guesses. It also goes without saying that you get only 1 guess. If you guess multiple times, your first one will be the only guess that's acceptable and all the rest will be eliminated and disqualified. This is a competition, so please do your best. If the judges still come to tie status, the winner will be determined by a feats of strength challenge between contestants.
Whoa.
Or a spontaneous Rochambeau until we determine the winner. 2. Requirements. All guesses must be left in the YouTube comments on this video. Do not, and I repeat, do not post your guess on Facebook, Instagram, or some other YouTube video. And please do not send them in to us directly. That makes for a very difficult process to find all of the guesses, and this is supposed to be a fun contest. The amount of police work to chase people to find their guesses in random places is not fun, so please adhere to this requirement. 3. Time limit. You have approximately 1 week to post your guesses, or at least until the date of the final color reveal video. Once the color is revealed in video, this contest is officially closed. So thanks to all of you, and a special big thanks to Earl for all the beautiful work he's done on Eleanore. Back to you, Earl.
And that way I can hook up with you and get you your merch. Thank you all for checking in with us. Have a good one. Take care.